Department of Information and Public Relations DIPR Manipur gi hufutara tarurak suba Information and Public Relations Day gi thauram pangthokre Kaisampat ni chaipa chuthek laiba Directorate asigi auditorium da pangthokhiba thauram adu da sarukya akhiba IPR Minister Dr. Sapam RANJAN na achumaran khangdriba pau verify tawdana fongbidana ba appeal tawkhiba loina na pau ma fongba matamda pau adu gi achumaran verify tawraba tungda fongba haibasi I pau gi lamda thabak tawriba singi tawdraba yadraba thaudang amani haina fongdokhe Minister asina makhata na aranba amade toknga da yumfam oiba pau na tungda achauba problem ama oiraknabagi machak oihali haibasi khangna thabak tawhaningi loina na Manipur gi issue kayada lamda masige paumi singna lauriba thaudang bu ikai khumnaba fongdokladuna paumi singi yaifana ba department asige maikai dagi tawbaya ba tawgani haiba wafam su fongdokhe thauramadu da IPR Day 2024 gi booklet amaso release tawki loina na DIPR Manipur gi ahanba publicity officer oikiba laikhidraba RK Maipaksana bu ikai khumnaba oina Maipaksana gi machano Dilipta citation amasung Sol Kutsinake Tauramadu da DIPR gi Manager of Publication Yanglem Gita Office Assistant KH Pravid amasung Grade 4 CH Premananda da Best Employee Award su Kutsinake loina na DIPR gi Pothakraba employees sing the so achamba khudol piduna ikai khumnaba utke thauramadu da IPR gi Commissioner M Joy Director Dr. TH Charanjit IPR gi staff sing amade I pawgi lamda thabak tawriba singna sarkyakhe.
It's a world of digital now, even artificial intelligence ki responsibility, after responsibility role globally in terms of every spheres of life, every spheres of profession, the lower rules that I'm sure information public relations rules just we have to go and sync day by day improvements so that at least level of journalism and the standard of journalism and whatever needs journalism information disseminate problems because every day digital platforms really increase the way